Hey, um, I just wanted to let y'all in on there is going to be a storm, a bad storm, so bad that I may not have power for a couple of days. It's probably like the news said that it was gonna probably be on the record book. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty bad. Earlier I went to get spring water with my dad. We got like 6 bottles, so hopefully the spring water will be okay once it's all done. We're not supposed to see anything tonight, but maybe tomorrow probably, like, uh, small rain. I mean, yeah, just a little drizzle, maybe a little bit more. Sunday, yes. Yes, Sunday is supposed to be the worst, and it will continue Monday. So I might not have school then, but I'll let y'all in if I'm okay, cause I don't want y'all to see me go away after all these videos that I've done. But I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. But yeah. Let's see. I guess maybe we could talk about Gundam Style a little bit. Just a little brief summary. It's kick-ass. Very creative. A lot of character. A lot of action. A lot of comedy. Great song. Especially from a South Korean dude named Psy. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I just said a brief summary, so I'm done. Um, let's see. But yeah, I don't really feel like thinking while I'm recording, so, yeah. Um, yeah, supposed to have a bad storm. A really bad storm. My notes said 105 wind. No, yeah, 105 winds. And I asked them what are the examples, and I asked him how bad 10 miles per hour wind was, and he said pretty bad, and then 20, and then he said even more bad, and then I asked 30, and he said pretty damn bad, like more, and then I asked him 40, and he said have a tough time walking, and then 50. Yeah, but yeah, 105. If 50's bad, add that to, like, I'm not really good with math, but add that. Hold on. 105 plus. Hold on. 105. 50. Well, I'm just gonna calculate the damn thing. I don't feel like doing math. It's probably somewhere around the 200s. 105 plus 50. 155. Yeah. So, yeah, if you don't believe me and you think I'm just scamming you, here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, I think I pretty much I think I'm pretty much done. So Eric, damn it. Stupid ass. But yeah. Position this. Come on, work with me. There we go. Ah, there we go. Never mind. Stop. Okay. Now that we're finished with that, yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about. I'll catch y'all in if I'm okay, and if I'm not okay, then oh well. So yeah, this has been another SeaWorldMan879 video, and peace. Oh, before I go, I usually end it here, but yeah, have y'all heard of this game called, it's brand new I think, it's called Running Fred? Just got it today in my tech class. Not hard at all. I thought it was hard, but it's not hard. It's not a site, it's an app. You go to the Chrome store to get it. You just click available in Chrome, I think. You have to sign in with your Gmail account or whatever the hell you have, Hotmail, AOL, any mail source you have. You sign into that and then click Running Fred and then available on Chrome, and you have it then. But once you click the app, you have to click okay when it shows like Google accounts, which is for like Gmail. I'm pretty sure it has something similar to that with Hotmail, AOL, and all that stuff. And then you get to play the game. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. So yeah. Too much talking. I just wanted to let y'all know on what was happening, and I'll catch y'all in on the next video. Bye.